Not all cleaning services are the same. When it comes to customer service, ServiceMaster Clean stands out from the competition. We do what we say we're going to do. That's why over 100,000 businesses count on ServiceMaster Clean each day. Businesses love that we're always accessible. Our quick response time to customer requests, and our commitment to resolving problems quickly. We're committed to providing you with exceptional service in everything we do.
Cleaning is cleaning, right? Well, not exactly. A company's systems make a big difference in quality and efficiency. Our advanced innovative cleaning systems ensure you get the service you were promised. ServiceMaster Clean has a patented cleaning system called Capture Removal Cleaning that is very efficient and very effective, so you get a good cleaning on the one hand and you don't have to spend the big bucks for it on the other. It's systems that guarantee consistent delivery day after day after day, so the Capture Removal system is the best example I can think of to ensure that you get that consistent service every time you come in. There's also PACT, our proprietary inspection system. It guarantees a high level of quality through regular inspections and, even more importantly, built-in customer communication.
There are lots of things that make ServiceMaster Clean different from your typical cleaning company, but none are as important as the people we hire. Systems are important, but it's our people that make the biggest difference. Teams are selected for their positive attitude and their commitment to doing the job right. Before they're given an experienced mentor, they receive hands-on training and industry-specific certifications.
With ServiceMaster Clean, you can relax, knowing that the cleanliness of your building is in the hands of the most carefully selected, best trained people in the business.